Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robotics and AI in Xinjiang, China. Specifically, we're checking out the region's first Robotics 9S center, which is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology in Central Asia. This project is all about pushing the boundaries of AI applications and creating a comprehensive ecosystem for robotics. So, let's get started and explore what makes this initiative so fascinating. First things first, the Xinjiang region is no stranger to innovation. With a focus on integrating various aspects of robotics, from exhibition to sales, leasing, and even customized development, this center aims to become a one-stop shop for all things robotics. The project is backed by a substantial investment of 30 million yuan, which is a testament to its potential impact. The goal is to create a robotics ecosystem that covers everything from display to commercial applications, talent training, and supply chain services. Now, let's break down the two phases of this project. The first phase, which has already commenced, covers approximately 1,400 square meters and introduces 8 major business models. These include robot exhibitions, experience services, education programs, retail, leasing, and certification services. It's like a mini-universe of robotics, offering a wide range of experiences for visitors. But the fun doesn't stop there. The second phase, scheduled for the second half of 2027, will expand the center by another 1,600 square meters. This phase will introduce even more exciting features, such as an incubator for robot-related enterprises and secondary research and development targeting local industries like energy, agriculture, and tourism. It's like a robotics hub within a hub, catering to a wide range of applications. One of the most intriguing aspects of this project is the focus on real-world applications. The center aims to showcase robots but also promote their transition from demonstrations to practical use. This is where the real magic happens, as it bridges the gap between theory and practice. Imagine robots dancing, robotic dogs, and robot football. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right here in Xinjiang. The project is also supported by a strong industrial ecosystem, with partnerships established with leading Chinese robotic companies and institutions. These collaborations ensure a steady supply of robots, after-sales services, leasing capacity, and technology development. It's like a well-oiled machine, with each component working together seamlessly. But the impact of this center goes beyond the robotics industry. It aims to become an industrial application hub, focusing on 4 key scenarios: industrial manufacturing, equipment assembly, logistics operations, power network inspection, smart agriculture, and tourism guidance. It's like a robotics superhero, ready to tackle a wide range of challenges and transform industries. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. The center plans to explore applications in precision assembly and heavy load handling for energy equipment manufacturing, as well as inspection and data collection in oil fields and mining areas. It's like a robotics detective, gathering data and solving complex problems. And that's not all, it will also support the digital transformation of local manufacturing enterprises by providing intelligent production line upgrade solutions. But the real game changer is the center's focus on Central Asia. Xinjiang, as the core area of the Silk Road economic belt, has geographical and opening up advantages. The center is expected to serve as a regional exhibition, trading, and service platform for Chinese robotics companies seeking overseas expansion. It's like a gateway to the world, connecting China with Central Asia and beyond. The project relies on Xinjiang's free trade pilot zone policies and industrial advantages to build a service network targeting Central Asian markets. It aims to promote Chinese intelligent equipment exports along their digital Silk Road. So, it's not just about robots, it's about building a bridge between technology and international trade. In conclusion, the Xinjiang region's first Robotics 9S Center is a groundbreaking initiative that combines innovation, practical applications, and international collaboration. It's a testament to the region's commitment to technological advancement and its potential to become a hub for robotics and AI. So, stay tuned, as we'll be keeping an eye on this project's progress and its impact on the world of robotics. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.